It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Applewood. If your home is heated by a gas-powered furnace, knowing where the gas shutoff valve is and how to use it is essential. Only turn off your furnace's gas line if you suspect a leak or smell gas. To safely turn off the gas, locate the shutoff valve on the gas line leading to your furnace. It's typically a small lever or knob, colored red, yellow, or blue, or it could be a switch of any color. Once located, if the valve is parallel with the pipe or the switch is flipped to on, the gas line is open. Turn the valve a quarter turn so that it's perpendicular to the gas line. Or flip the switch to off. This position cuts off the flow of gas. If you're unsure, consult your furnace's manual or call a professional for guidance. Try not to shut off the gas unless absolutely necessary. Frequent shutdowns can disrupt the furnace's components and may require professional assistance to run again. When in doubt, prioritize safety and consult a licensed professional. And that is how to shut off gas to your furnace. We thought you'd like to know.